Markus Maltela from Finland. Kiitoksia niin maan perkeleesti. Jäbä on jeesinyt suomalaista suurtuotantoa, kaikki aikojen suurinta suomalaiselokuvaa Iron Sky The Coming Race. Ja nimenomaan sen elokuvakäsikirjoituksen ja promon tekemistä. So I want to thank you for supporting the promo and the script for Iron Sky The Coming Race. Markus, without people like you and without the support from Finland, I must say we would be absolutely nowhere. This is a big task to prove financiers, people worldwide, to understand the idea behind this. But thanks to you and your support, we're able to get a little bit further. And thanks to you, we now have a killer script and a killer promo, which both are ready, and we're just itching to get them over to you. So thank you so much, and see you around in the next phases of Iron Sky The Coming Race.